Hello everyone, welcome to today's Crochet tutorial where we will be making a beautiful pink heart. This project is perfect for beginners and seasoned crocheters alike. To start, you shall need some basic materials: pink yarn, crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle. Let's begin by making a slip knot and chaining 4. This will form the center ring of our heart. Next, we shall work into this ring to create the first round of our heart shape. Make sure to crochet loosely so your work remains flexible. For the second round, we shall crochet into the stitches of the first round to create the bumps that form the top of the heart. This involves making double crochets and chaining to create the curves. Continue following along as I demonstrate each step clearly. As we progress, you shall notice the heart shape taking form. It's important to keep an eye on your tension to ensure the heart does not wrap or become too tight. Once we have completed the main body of the heart, we shall finish off with a slip stitch and cut the yarn, leaving a tail for weaving in later. Use yarn needle to skewer any loose ends. Voila! You now have a beautiful crochet pink heart ready to use. You can attach it to a greeting card, sew it onto a blanket, or even make a bunch to create a heart garland. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials and craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video and happy crocheting.